Mail time. So last episode. So I just threw a bunch of more money out the window. Let's open the boxes, see what we got. You already saw the spring rate if you were paying attention. These are Progress CS2. They're CS2. They have a CS3 one, adjustable dampening. I just got these. We're gonna go over that, and I got a bunch more stuff laying down right over here. We're gonna finish this video on my phone, or start it. Welcome if I'm starting the video here. We also got, well, we're not going to start here because I have to insert something here regardless. Okay, got braided brake lines for the front, straight from wherever this is. Yeah, so hopefully they fit. I needed ones with like the inserts at the end and the banjos right there. This is the only thing I could find on Amazon. The other ones had like double banjos or something weird, or I don't know. We got 2 packages for the suspension. Put that one to the side. This is the original box that I got maybe 2 weeks ago, week and a half ago, from Detroit Axle. Not a bad deal on eBay. They're very helpful when I had to call them because they only sent these upper control arms in the box. Let me see something here. Yeah, I just gotta cut some of it out. This is what was supposed to be in the box, and I only got the at the top. You see X90450. I got that one and the one below it, which are the 2 control arms. You can notice here it's a different zone for those, and then I think when I got my other box, all the other things that came in after I called them, they got it all sorted out. But this came from Detroit where they're located, and I guess the other ones come from a warehouse in Texas. Inside here you get the cotter pins, there's the upper ball joint, the whole arm, the bushings over here. So we got that. And then this box over here, which came in the other day. Open it real quick. This is everything else. We got some control arm. Control arm? What the fuck, actually? Yeah. Control arms. They're the lower control arms and their bushings. I didn't think I ordered the other ones. Whatever. Those, and then the actual lower ball joints that I need to press out. Yeah, so that's the entire front suspension basically, minus the sway bar bushings and whatnot, because those look pretty fine. So this is all going in. Let's see the best way to open it.
What's going on in there?
Is this upside down? Let's just do one of these. Or not. Let's go with a or not. this bolts and the tools. Instructions and stickers that just flew out of them. What I came over here to do was, yeah, that. Give me something like that. Tells you the part number. Let's see. Get the focus, part number. Ah. Yeah, so these are the bump stops. Yoink. This tells you where to cut them. It gives you everything in the instructions, but I was wondering. Oh my god, almost took out the lamp. Are we back? Yeah, okay. So on top of the springs, they tell you... Let's see if we can get on there. There we go. It gives you 10.350. 350 is going to be the spring rate. We're running 350 in the front. Yoink. Switch those around for a second, and we got the rear. I think it's going to be backwards, but 550 in the rear. So, yeah, I'm going to get these assembled. Yeah, let's get them assembled, sure. I just put this piece in between here. Yoink, move that up. Oh, and here it's called the poly isolator. It's basically, I'll show it up close over here. So you get the spring, this is the bottom with the fork. One piece goes down with the hole on the bottom. On the bottom end, this poly isolator right down here. It's gonna be a snug fit. Right in between, basically you're just gonna hold it, help hold it in place, I guess, and also keep it from jiggling around. Now I'm gonna cut here because I need to get a Allen that goes into that to loosen this, to move this down a little bit. Otherwise, we could probably actually put it together. Let's see, grab a zoom on there. Got two washers, two of the same washers that are like cupped. You got this boy that is like beveled down, a lock nut, a dowel pin, and two rubber pieces that are the same. And the bump stop, which we are going to trim. You could always take off more, so we're gonna go, I don't think I'm gonna drop it too severe, we'll see. It says, let's see what it says in the book. It's 2 inches, or trim here for drop of less than 2 inches, and then trim here for drop of over 2 inches. Okay. Focus on the suspicious item. There we go. It says trim here for drop over 2 inches, and trim here for drop less than 2 inches. I'm gonna go outside and measure the, actually it's on jack stands. I'll be right back. Okay, so this bolt right here, right there is a 3/16. Yeah, this took me a while to find, so I loosened that. And the instructions, it tells you to scroll this thing all the way down to about 1/4 of an inch from the bottom. So we're gonna do that for installation. This has a ridge at the top that holds the spring. You want that facing up. So do that. Good there. Okay, we're back. I cut this down to the 2-inch or lower. We're not gonna focus. We cut down to the 2-inch part. Yeah. I also got these about the exact same position. And we're just gonna go from there. Go spring on here. Then trimmed bump stop. This one goes facing down. Oh, that's snug. We're gonna zoom out a little bit. There we go. We're using this washer after the foam bump stop, please. There we go. This guy, face down. It's gonna go this way on the coilover. Like that. And then we use the cup washer, which is gonna be the bowl guy, facing with the cup up. Then we use the spring, this guy, facing down. We're back from the future, totally not exhausted, and a bunch of shit that just went wrong. Okay, we'll continue setting up the coilovers. Oh shit, fuck. These are still the rears. We got the top hats now. So when you get these off the, this is for the rear of the top hat for the rear, stock top hat for the rear. You get them. They come with these inside, already assembled. They were super easy to push out for me. I just pushed them out with my hands. I used a Allen key to get the. They have a little dowel in there. I used to get that all the way out, but otherwise super easy to take apart. So this is what is gonna go in here from the CS2 kit. I'm gonna put that on the bottom. Yoink. Just do that first. Push the dowel in there, then put it on. Sure. Just keep pressing around the center until it's evenly put around there. Should be pretty center in the middle. Yoink. And then the other one should just go right on top. Ta-da! This could go on here. Don't think the orientation really matters at this point. We're not tightening it down. Then we have, what do we got? We're on the top here, all the bushings are on. Let's see, there we go. This cup with the this side facing up, and the lock nut. And then you're gonna get a 5mm Allen. It goes on top, and then a I believe this is a probably a 14 on the top of here, and you're gonna twist this down, but I'm gonna alright, so I got these off the end of the front shocks. So they sit on the bottom part, like right here. See where the indent is? I held it by the fork. So let's say it was on there like this. I held it by here, and I was just fucking whacking these straight down. So I was basically, pretend the fork's on there, I was holding it like that and just hitting the hammer right on the end of that, and they came out. Took like 3 minutes of whacking on both sides. I mean, I don't think I'm ever gonna use these again, but they were pretty, they weren't blown or anything. But unfortunately they're fucked. So we're going in the bin.
The missile knows where it is at all times.
Glance over the muffler over there. We got this set up right here. We're going, took it apart to make sure everything was in there. Ugh. Come on now. We're going rear discs. So everything's coming out of the rear eventually. Probably in the next episode we're going rear discs. I'm just gonna get this coilover set up in this one. And also just record a shit ton of stuff because it's all over the place right now.